In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your ideas effortlessly using Mymind. If you're looking for a simple way to keep all your thoughts, inspirations, and notes in one neat place, then you're in the right spot. Let's get started. First, you'll need to visit mymind.com. Once you're on the website, you'll find the login option. You have the flexibility to sign in using either your Google or Apple ID. For this demonstration, I'll be selecting the Google option. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the one you want to use, and voila! You're into your Mymind dashboard. Now here's where the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard. You'll notice it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to find what you're looking for without any fuss. In your dashboard, there's a search bar situated at the top. This is going to be your primary tool for organizing your saved ideas. Type in the keywords related to the notes you've saved. Once you've entered the relevant keywords, hit Enter, and you'll quickly see a list of results. As you examine these results, you'll notice an option labeled Save Smart that appears. It's a little button that holds big potential. Click on it and you'll be prompted to name this collection of ideas or notes. Think carefully about a name that's both descriptive and memorable, something that encapsulates the essence of the ideas you're organizing. Additionally, you'll have the option to choose a color for your newly minted space. This color coding feature is particularly handy. It visually distinguishes different spaces from one another, making navigation easier and more intuitive. Now, with your space all set up and personalized, accessing it is the next step. Head on over to the Spaces section within your dashboard. This is where you'll find the new space you just created, along with any other spaces you might have. Click on your new space, and there you have it. An organized collection of your thoughts, ideas, and notes, all laid out in a way that makes sense to you. This organizational method not only saves you time, but also energizes your creativity by allowing you to see your ideas more clearly. And remember, Mymind is designed to adapt to your workflow. Feel free to keep experimenting with different keywords and spaces as your projects grow and evolve. Enjoy the newfound clarity and focus that comes with having all your ideas neatly arranged and easily accessible. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you make the most of Mymind and brings a little more organization to your life. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.